Welcome back to Transform Today, where we explore powerful ideas that help you create the life you truly desire. Today, we're diving into something that might seem far out, but it can absolutely change the way you think about your potential: quantum physics. Yes, you heard that right, quantum physics and self-development. Stick with me because this is going to get fascinating. Now, before you click away, thinking quantum physics is too complicated or unrelated to your personal growth journey, hear me out. The principles of quantum physics have some mind-blowing implications for how we understand reality, and even more so, how we can harness them to accelerate our own development. One of the most famous and intriguing aspects of quantum physics is the observer effect. The observer effect suggests that the very act of measuring or observing a quantum system can cause it to collapse from a state of probability into a definite state. In other words, before we observe a quantum particle, it exists in multiple states or locations at once. This is known as a wave function. Once we measure or observe it, however, it collapses into a specific state or location. Now, how does this apply to us? Think of your own goals or the life you want to create. If you never observe or focus on the person you want to become, you might stay in a state of uncertainty or possibility, like a wave function. But once you focus your attention, set your intentions and take action, you collapse that wave of possibilities into a concrete reality. When you observe or focus on the version of yourself that is successful, confident and thriving, you begin to collapse your own potential into this reality. Your actions, mindset, and even the opportunities that come your way start to reflect that vision. Your attention shapes your life. The observer effect in quantum physics shows us that what we focus on influences the world around us. Next, we have the concept of superposition, another fascinating principle from quantum physics. Superposition tells us that quantum particles, like electrons or photons, can exist in multiple states or locations simultaneously. It's only when we measure or observe the system that it chooses a specific state. Imagine if your life could be in multiple states or possibilities at the same time. You could be the person who has a successful career, a loving relationship, and a healthy body, all of it existing as potential right now. Superposition suggests that you have infinite possibilities in your life, but you need to choose which state to collapse into. You are not limited to a single path or outcome. Superposition teaches us that our potential is not fixed. You don't have to limit yourself to one version of your future. In fact, by recognizing the possibilities and embracing different paths, you open up multiple avenues of growth. Your choices, beliefs, and actions all contribute to which version of yourself you collapse into. So why not choose the version that excites and empowers you? Another fundamental idea in quantum physics is that at the most basic level, everything is made up of energy and vibrates at a specific frequency. This is true for all matter. Every particle, atom, and molecule has its own frequency of vibration. Even the objects we perceive as solid are actually just waves of energy, vibrating at different rates. Now think about how this relates to you. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions are all forms of energy, and they too vibrate at different frequencies. If you're constantly thinking negatively, doubting yourself, or holding on to fear, you're emitting a low-frequency energy. But if you focus on love, gratitude, positivity, and self-belief, you elevate your vibrational frequency. Quantum physics tells us that the universe operates through frequencies, and everything that vibrates at the same frequency is naturally attracted to each other. This is the essence of the law of attraction. When you raise your vibration to match the frequency of success, happiness, and health, you start attracting opportunities and people who resonate with that energy. You can literally shift your reality by adjusting your frequency. Quantum entanglement is one of the most mind-boggling concepts in quantum physics. It suggests that two particles, even if they are light years apart, can be instantly connected and influence each other. This happens faster than the speed of light, and Einstein famously referred to it as spooky action at a distance. Essentially, when two particles are entangled, their states are interconnected, no matter the distance between them. So how does this relate to your personal growth? Entanglement shows us that we are deeply interconnected with everyone and everything around us. Every action you take ripples out into the world and can have far-reaching effects, even beyond what you can see or understand. When you take positive actions, think empowering thoughts and connect with others on a deeper level, you are creating entanglements that influence the world in ways you may not even realize. In your journey to self-development, it's essential to recognize the power of connection. The people you surround yourself with, the energy you exchange, and the communities you build are all part of this quantum web of interconnectedness. By nurturing positive relationships and supporting others, you not only transform your own life, but also influence the collective energy of the world around you. So, as you can see, the principles of quantum physics are not just abstract scientific ideas. They offer profound insights into the way we can shape our lives. The observer effect shows us that our focus can collapse possibilities into reality. Superposition reveals that we have unlimited potential and can choose which version of ourselves we want to become. The understanding of vibration teaches us how to elevate our energy to attract the life we desire, and quantum entanglement shows us that we are all deeply connected. Quantum physics shows us that the universe is not just a random collection of particles, it's a dynamic, interconnected web of possibilities. And you, as part of that web, have the power to shape your reality in incredible ways. So, what are you waiting for? Tap into your quantum potential and begin your transformation today. Thanks for watching Transform Today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep evolving. And remember, your transformation starts now.